But let's go here real quick, beyond the 66. I want to show y'all some things. As you click on there, you're going to have a few things. You're going to see Apocrypha, Old Covenant, which is the Old Testament, Renewed Covenant, which is the New Testament, Beyond the 66 story, which is about to launch this week because we got a lot done, and Restored Names Meanings. Now let's first go to Apocrypha. We have a few books already done. Book of Jubilees, the Book of Jasher, 2nd Ezra, Testaments of Solomon, Apocalypse of Abraham. And we're going to put up all of them from the Maccabees to Enoch's. Everything will be here. But let me show you some updates we've done, if I could, real quick, Myshpaka, because I'm in Palal, you guys enjoy this. All right, so when you click on any of the books, first, this icon here, you can actually make the font sizes bigger and smaller. So you can make adjustments there if you want that. After that, you're going to have an intro. From your intro, all the chapters are available to you at click. So if you know for a fact you're going to be in Apocalypse of Abraham, you were at 15, you can click on 15. It's going to bring you to 15. I haven't done Testament of Solomon yet. That's on my to-do list. We got 2nd Ezra redone. I'm gonna let you guys check out that on your own. The Book of Jasher and the Book of Jubilees. Let's click on Jubilees real quick and let me just show you something because I know it's working in here. When you scroll down, you're gonna have your chapters. Notice it says Last Study, chapter 10, and it's highlighted with the little dot. Well, let's go to chapter 25. Now I'm gonna highlight. Let's go back to top. See, now 25 is highlighted. This is going to be available to everyone in the community, and your highlights will show here and notes will show here. Well, let me show you what highlights and notes are. When you click on this little icon here, you can label that particular scripture. So we're just going to put just some random ones, and we're going to say this is a pattern, and let's write a note. We're going to put test and save. I know I need to change some of these boxes. And if I wanted to share this particular scripture, you see it's on each one. You hit share, and then you're able to pull up, and you can copy and paste that, and you can share it anywhere online. But let's go back to the top. Notice in the highlights area, the two that we highlighted are there, and our notes for test is there, and that's available for everyone. And you can also delete them as well here, or you can delete them at the actual scriptures itself. This is set up for you to study Myshpaka. And we've also converted all the names for the Myshpaka that are asking. So we just looked into the Apocrypha books. We got some Old Covenant books done. Now I'm still tweaking, by the way, but Old Covenant, Genesis is prepped and ready for you. Shamut, Exodus, that's already done. Deuteronomy is done. Daniel is done. I'm working on Numbers and Leviticus to put them in order between Deuteronomy and Exodus. So I'm still working on those. Hosea, Joel, Amos, Obadiah, Jonah, Micah, Nehemiah, Habakkuk, Zephaniah, Haggai, Zechariah, Malachi. Also, we have Lamentations. Now I'm gonna go widescreen real quick, and I really want y'all to pay attention to what we just did. Myshpaka, we started with the smallest books. Can I encourage you to start, before we start putting the bigger books like Isaiah, Jeremiah, Ezekiel, those are bigger books. I'm trying to encourage you, because those minor prophets are snitching next level. They're telling us stuff that we've never looked at, and the church barely touches them. They're saying the same things as the rest of the book, and not to mention, those are short, fast reads. Some of them only one chapter. If you can't read through one chapter, some of them are only 4 chapters. Some of them are only 6 chapters. Here's an opportunity to be able to read it right. You have all the resources to help you with language, words you may not understand. It's already ready for you. Once you hit those prophets and you run through all of them, and then you start hitting those other ones, you're going to realize like there's a much bigger story going on here. And then you got to ask a valid question. Why aren't the pastors really touching on these smaller prophets like this? Qualifying thoughts. Let's go back. Here's our renewed, which is the New Testament. We got 2nd John, quick, easy read. 3rd John, quick, easy read. Jude, quick, easy read. And we got Revelation. And if you are new and you're trying to look up some of the words that we're talking about, this is the page I'm telling you about that I mentioned earlier, is our names meanings. It'll help you navigate through that problem. So let's say, for example, we're going to do sacred words of ancient tongue, Torah, instruction, teaching, guidance from Yahuwah. Torah is the law. Ruach, that means spirit. So when you hear us saying Ruach, we're saying spirit. Kodesh. Kodesh means set apart, holy, and sacred. It's mostly we're meaning holy when we say Kodesh. Kadesh, we say set apart. But either way, this is designed to help you easily with the words. Barak, you'll hear us say that a lot. Drop Barak Yahuwah in the comments. So we're saying bless Yahuwah in the comments is what we're saying. Shalom. Shalom means peace. Shamayim, that's heavens. So that's designed for all the new Myshpaka. And if you OGs and you've already hip to the game, you've been jumping into understanding some of the letters, maybe that'll help give you some help. Also, it's not 100% perfect. Can I get a disclaimer in the comments, please? It's not 100% perfect. There's so many different angles to look at this. We're just trying to bring you there. I'm asking anybody who has an issue with any of the words, instead of being in correct mode, could you please handle it like this? And this would be the best way for us to want to listen. Hit the contact us and send us an email and say, hey, in this area, you mentioned this. I'd like to share some information with you. Would you consider? That's how you approach us. But if you are down in saying this and that and the other, you're being a stumbling block and authoritative, and you'll never get through to us. We'll close our ears quickly because we're done focusing on people who are coming to authoritative.